So you've heard about Higgsfield AI, right? Then in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate images using Higgsfield AI. Guys, all you have to do once you have an account and you have the opportunity to test this out, go ahead and hover over images on the upper left and click on create image. Now right here, you want to go ahead and enter the prompt that you want, and you can now go ahead and choose from those models. So you can click the models right here. You have multiple different models that you can use. I'm going to choose the Nano Banana Pro right here. As you can see, I have that selected. And I'm going to just ensure that I have the aspect ratio that I want to change right here. And you can also choose the quality of the image that you want as well. That can be 1K, 2K, even 4K. I'm going to use this one as well. I will just going to put it in 2K to see what it does. And yeah, once you select whatever you want, click generate. And guys, just wait for it to generate. And as you can see, it says in queue. Simply mean that it's going to generate. And you can see right now that's in progress. And this should really do something really good. So here you can see it was just showing something right here. It says watch cling 2.6 versus Vio, Sora, and One, right? So you can go ahead and check that out as well. So it'll show you, but that's it. Let's just wait for my image to generate. And yeah, just have a look at my prompt, which I said a lone warrior in futuristic armor standing on a cliff. I'm curious to see what that is going to do. It might take a little bit time because I'm trying to generate a 2K image, but at the same time, this should be really cool. So yeah, once it's generated, we will take a look at what it does. Ho ho ho, have a look at that. So here you have it, guys. This is my image. And now what's really cool about it is that I can even convert my image into animation and make it even even more cool, right? So you can click on that and you can have it as a start frame, end frame. It's really up to you, right? Or if you want to download it, you can download it as well. But that's it. That's my image, guys. And you can easily quickly turn this into animation as well. So that's it. If you want to download your image, just simply hit download and you have it on your computer within seconds. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.